Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is iPix AI avatar generator app and how to use that. So let's get started. So here I will just open that app. So basically this app here we can see for AI pixel app. So basically we will search for here. Okay. So here we can see iPix. AI app. So this app basically is a AI art generator app. You can just download and open this app, and from here you can just create your art. So by this way you can use it, and if you have any question you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Lastly, thank you for watching.